good morning to all of you. In today's class, we will talk about voice. First of all, we should know what is voice. It is the form of a verb or form of verbs which shows either the subject is active in any action or something or that action is done to the subject. There are two kinds of voice. First one, active voice. When the subject is active in any action, the verb is said to be in active voice. Here are two examples. He plays cricket. In this sentence, plays is known as active voice. Now, the second example. She is making tea. In this example, is making is active voice. Now, what is passive voice? When the subject is not active in any action, means something is done to the subject, then the verbs are said to be in passive voice. Here are some examples. Cricket is played by him. In this sentence, is and played, these two are passive voices. And second one, tea is being made. In this sentence, there are three verbs, is, being and made. These will be known as passive voice. Now, there are some rules. By the help of those rules, we can change the active voice into passive voice. First rule, the object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Second one, the subject of the active voice changes into either agent or object. And now the third one, active voice itself changes into be plus V3. Now there are 7 personal pronouns. They change their forms as follows, such as in active voice, if these are in place of subject, they will change their form as follows. And in the same way, if these are in the form of object, in active voice, they will change their form as follows. Now, one more thing that is very necessary to remember, that only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. Why? Because it is well known to us that a transitive verb always takes an object or two, and only those objects are made the subjects for changing them into passive voice. Now, passive voice of simple present tense. In the left hand side, all the structures and examples are based upon active, and in the right hand side, all the structures and examples are based upon passive voice. So, here are some. Let's discuss. Subject, V1, V5, object. This object will change into subject. So, subject and V1 and V5 will change into B plus V3. After that, this subject will change into by either agent or object. He writes a story. A story is written by him. Now, negative. He does not write a story. A story is not written by him. Now, interrogative. Does he write a story? Then we will change this sentence into, in this way, is a story written by him? Now, the last one, if the sentence is based upon WH word, so why does he write a story? Then this can be changed into, in this way, why is a story written by him? I hope that all of you must have understood properly. Tomorrow means in tomorrow's class you will be taught each and everything. Till then,